I went to an annual physical and I had a mammogram. And 2 weeks later, I got a call and they said, could you come back and do an ultrasound? When I got the diagnosis, my first concern was, it's going to be awful. All the stories you hear about breast cancer, it was always one size fits all. The radiation or the chemo or a combination of both, 4 weeks, 7 weeks, the repercussions after that, the medications after that. I'm kind of a free spirit and I couldn't imagine having to be tied down to treatment every day for weeks on end and not knowing what it was going to do to me. So I did not think for 1 minute I was missing anything about the process and the options. I just didn't like any of them. I had this amazing new treatment called electron beam intraoperative radiation therapy, IORT for short. When I was done with surgery, I didn't have to have any additional radiation. The treatment is just so unobtrusive. I was the same the next day, the day after surgery. I felt the same energy, well-being, health that I did the day before the surgery. So I just think the treatment is so special because it gives people an option. One size does not fit all. I have a little scratch. If I was to take a thorn, if I was to walk into a thorn and get a little scratch, that's what my scar looks like. And I have to tell you, I like seeing it. I like looking at it because everything looks exactly the same, exactly normal, but that little scratch tells me that I really enjoyed a miracle. When I was going through some of the diagnostics here at Jupiter Medical, I met women from all over the state of Florida who came here because they knew there was something special going on. The equipment, the professionals, the very forward-looking, out-of-the-box thinking. And there are a lot of big hospitals with big names on them around the country, and I have friends that have gone to them. I've never heard them talk to me about the way they felt in those environments, the way I'm talking to you about the way I felt at Jupiter Medical. So I wish everybody around the country could know what's sitting here in paradise in Florida.